Hi, this video is going to give you an introduction to ratios and talk about simplifying them. So first of all, what is a ratio? A ratio compares values. It tells us how much of one thing there is compared to another thing. For example, here there is one red bead to every 2 green beads, or 2 green beads to each red bead. And we can write, in this example, we can write the ratio of red beads to blue beads. We've got 2 red beads, it's 2, to 6 blue beads. So we can write the ratio as 2 to 6. But we can simplify this because we can see to every 1 red bead, we've got 3 blue beads. What is the ratio of squares to triangles here? So if we count them up, we can see that we've got 4 green squares, 4 squares, and 6 triangles. So the ratio is 4 to 6. But we can simplify this ratio to 2 to 3. If we rearrange the shapes, we can see for every 2 squares, we've got 3 triangles. So 2 to 3. And what we've actually done to this ratio, 4 to 6, is halved both of them. So the 4 has halved to give us 2, and the 6 has halved to give us 3. So we can simplify ratios in a similar way to fractions by dividing both parts by a common factor, by something that divides into both of them. So in this example, if we have a look at 4 and 10, we know that 2 divides into both of those. So 4 to 10, if we divide both of those by 2, simplifies to 2 to 5. How could we simplify 5 to 15? We could divide them both by 5 to give us 1 to 3. So that ratio is now simplified. How could we simplify 9 to 15? What could we divide both of those numbers by? That's right, it's 3. So divide both of them by 3 will give us 3 to 5. And we can't simplify that any further because there's nothing that divides into both of those numbers.